Here I am using a multimeter to measure the voltage. First let me select the voltage in multimeter. Then I am going to measure the voltage of a single solar panel. So let me measure the voltage of this solar panel. See, it's showing 5 volt. So let me check the voltage of this one. It also showing 5 volt. Let me connect one bulb to this solar panel. See, it's working. So next I am going to check the second solar panel with LED bulb, that also working. Let me connect these two solar panels series. When we connect two 5 volt solar panels series, it should give 10 volt. See, it's showing 10 volt. Let me check this series connection with the LED bulb. See, it's working. So let me connect these two solar panels parallel. In parallel connection, it should give 5 volt. When we connect two 5 volt LED panels parallel, it do not increase the voltage, it only increase the current. So let me check with LED bulb, see it's working. This way we can connect solar panels series and parallel.